Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem minimum number of vertices to reach all the nodes in a graph, directed graph. So given a directed acyclic graph with n vertices numbered from 0 to n minus 1 and n array edges where edges of I is in the pair of from I to 2i, represent a directed edge from the node from I to 2 of I. So find the smallest set of vertices from which all the nodes in a graph are reachable. It is guaranteed that a unique solution exists. Notice that you can return the vertices in any order. So here this is the graph. So let's understand over here. So we have this graph and there is a vertex directed edge from 0 vertex to 1, this one, and then 0 to 2, then 3 to 4, and then 4 to 2, and 2 to 5. So if we start from the vertex 0, we will reach to the vertex 1 and vertex 2 and then vertex 5 only. But we can't reach to the vertex 3 and 4. So we have to start from vertex 3 and 3 as well, one more. So minimum number of vertex we need to start like 0 and 3 to reach all the other vertex. So let's understand with another example. Similarly here, if we start from 0, we will go to the 1, then we can go to the 4, but after that we can't go anywhere else. Then we have to visit the 3. If we start from 3, we can go to 1, then 1 already visited, so we have to start from 3 to visit 3. Similarly, if we start from 3, we can go to 1 again and 4. So minimum we need to start from 0, 2 and 3. So answer will be 0, 2 and 3. So this is the second example over here. So answer is 0 to 3. So if you see, like if the vertices in our graph which has no incident edge, then we have to start at least from those vertices, and it is given a unique path, so other vertices which will be covered. So we have to find out the vertices which has in degree 0. So how we will solve this? So let's understand with another graph. So let's say we have vertex 1 which has a directed vertex flow to the vertex 2 and then directed to vertex 0. We have a graph of 3 vertices. So this is the graph. So here at least if we start from 1, we will reach to the all the 3 vertices. So how we will solve this problem? We will create the graph using the list of integers of array which will have all the vertices of size like n. So we have total n vertices. Then we will add the edges in that, and also we will create a in degree array which will count the in degree. So if say we have a edge like this directed to vertex 0 to 1, then the in degree of vertex 1 is 1 while the in degree of vertex 0 is 0. So let's go to in our one of the example here. So we have in degree of 0 is 0, in degree of 3 is 0, in degree of 2 is 0, and in degree of 1 is 1, 2, 3. So it is 3, and in degree of 2 is 2. So here we have to return all the vertices has the in degree of 3. So let's quickly implement this code. So for implementing, we will first create a graph using the list of integers, integer, and it is array type. Let it call graph. So let represent G as a smallest array list of size is n number of vertices. Then we will iterate through, initialize all the array pair I less than n, I plus plus, and now we will do G of I is equal to new of array list. So we are creating an adjacency list representation of the graph. Once we done with this, we will iterate all the edge pair int edge, let represent with edge e only, e d g s as pair. Then we will add this pair into our graph. So g of e dot get, so it should be, we will get a list, not the e. So list of integer, because we have list in the integer which is e. Then we will get e of 1 will be the source from vertex to add the 2 vertex, but 2 vertex in e dot get and 1. And similarly we will update the in degree. So we need a array which will hold the in degree. So int in degree is equals to new int of size n, all for all the vertices we are going to calculate in degree. So in degree of e dot get at 1 this 2 index is plus plus, so in degree of that vertex is getting increased. Now we will create a list of integer which is our result we have to return. So now we will iterate through our in degree array, let's say int in degree. If in degree is 0, then we simply add that vertex. Oh, so we need a vertex number, so we better to iterate this loop using the index, so that will be represent our vertex I less than n, I plus plus, and in degree of I is equals to 0, then we will add into the result the vertex I itself, and in the end we just simply return the result. So this is the implementation. Let's run the code for all the test cases, and if we see we are getting correct answer, let's submit this and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? So the time complexity is, first we are creating this iterating all the number of vertices which is n here, and then we are also iterating all the edges, so it is n plus e. So the time complexity of our solution is O of n plus b plus, basically b is vertex, number of vertices in the graph terminology, and e is a number of edges in the graph terminology. So this is thank you. If you like my solution, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.